Hello, my name is Meghan. I am 43 years old. We chose true love, left the royal crown. Before I met Harry, my life was very full. I lived in America. I had my own dreams. I was an actress. I worked on TV shows. My job was my passion. I felt very happy. I built my own way. I was very strong. I was independent. I loved my freedom. I cared about people. I helped many causes. I spoke for equality. My voice was important. I had my own home. I traveled for work. I enjoyed simple things. My life was quiet. I never dreamed of kings or living in a palace. That world was far away. It was not my reality. I felt very complete. I liked my own path. My future felt clear. It was only mine. But life has surprises. New paths can appear. A new door opened. My world would soon change. I did not know then. That love was coming. A love from a new world. A true love story. Then I met Prince Harry. It was a blind date. A good friend helped us. We were both nervous. We laughed so much. We talked for hours. We felt a connection. It was very special. We met again soon, just the two of us. We walked in nature. Our bond grew deeper. Our love was private. We kept it a secret from the whole world. It was just for us. I lived in Toronto. He lived in London. We traveled very far to be with each other. My heart felt very full. His eyes were so kind. I knew this was real. Our love was true. We went to Africa, to Botswana's lands. We camped under stars. Our love felt free there. I saw my future with this man, Harry. He was so unique. He was my true love. The media did not know. Our secret was safe. Our love was quiet, but strong and growing. We built a strong base, a base for our life. A future was coming. Our love story began. Our love grew so deep. Harry made a big plan. He asked me to marry. I said yes, with joy. Our news became public. The world was so happy. Photos were everywhere. It was a big moment. People were excited. A new royal story, from America to UK. It felt like a dream. I learned royal ways. I met new family. I prepared for duty. It was a big change. Our wedding day came. It was so beautiful. Millions watched us. We said our true vows. I became a duchess. I joined the royals. A new name, new title, a very new life. I did many duties. I met many people. I smiled for cameras. It felt very grand. Harry was with me. He held my hand tight. He showed me the way. My love was my strength. The world saw happiness, a fairy tale true, a new royal chapter, full of bright hope. But this new life was very different. Rules were so strict. A true challenge began. My new life began in the royal world. It was very grand, but also very strict. There were many rules, old ways to follow. It was very formal, hard to learn them all. My private life gone. Cameras watched me every day, all day. I felt always seen. The news wrote much about my every step. They judged my clothes. They judged my own words. I was an American. I felt very new. I was not like them. It felt very hard. Royal duties were many. My schedule was full. I worked so hard. I felt very tired. I looked for comfort. I looked for support. But it was not easy to find true help. Harry saw my pain. He tried to protect me. He knew this was hard. He stood by my side. The fairy tale changed. It was a new reality. A life with no freedom. It made me feel sad. Small problems grew big. The pressure grew strong. A hard choice was coming. Our love faced a test. The pressure grew stronger. The media was harsh. They wrote untrue stories. My feelings were hurt. Some news was unkind. It was very cruel. It made me feel bad. It made me feel sad. I lost my own voice. I lost my own joy. I felt very low. My mental health suffered. I looked for help then. I asked for support from the institution, but it was not easy. I felt very alone. In that big royal house, no one understood me. My pain grew very deep. Harry tried his best. He saw my silent tears. He knew I was hurting. He tried to make it stop. But the rules were strict. The system was old. It was hard to change. It was hard to fight. I thought about my son, our little Archie. I did not want this life, for him or for us. I had to be strong for my new baby, for my own true self, for our future now. The truth was very clear. This life was not for me. Our love needed peace. We needed to break free. The pain grew so deep. I felt very trapped. Harry saw my sadness. He felt it too. We talked many hours about our true future, about our own needs, about our own peace. We knew we had to choose our love or the crown. We wanted to be free, to live our true life. It was a big risk, a very hard decision to leave the royal world, to lose so much. We told the royal family. Our choice was very clear. We wanted to step back from our royal duties. They did not understand. It was very difficult. There was much sadness and some true anger. The news broke fast. The world was surprised. They called it Megxit. Our names were everywhere. Some people cheered us. Some people judged us. It was a big storm, but we stood together. Harry held my hand. He was my strong rock. We chose our true path. We chose our own freedom. This was our brave step. A step for our peace. A step for our family. A step for our true love. After our big choice, we left the cold palace. We left the UK. We found a new home. First, we went to Canada. It felt very quiet. We could breathe again. We felt a new freedom. Then we moved to America, to my home country. We found our own house, a place for our family. We wanted private life, away from cameras, away from the headlines, to live in true peace. It was not easy then. The world still watched. We had to find work, to be independent. Harry had no royal money. I had my own ideas. We worked on new plans to build our own future. We started new projects with big companies. We wanted to tell stories, our true stories now. Our son, Archie, grew fast. He had a calm life, away from the pressure. He could be just himself. We felt truly happy in our new quiet home. Our love was our guide. Our peace was our prize. This was our new chapter, a chapter of freedom, a chapter of choice, a chapter of new beginnings. In our new free life, we started many things. We made new projects to share our true ideas. We created Archewell. It is our new company. We wanted to help others, to make the world better. We made TV shows. We made good podcasts. We told our own stories with our own voices. We spoke about health, about mental well-being. We spoke for equality, for a fairer world. It was our new work. It was our true passion. We used our big platform to make a real change. The media still watched. They still wrote about us. But we were stronger now. We focused on our goals. We were a true team, Harry and me together. We built our own way with love and hard work. Our life felt honest. We were truly ourselves. We followed our hearts. We followed our own path. We were independent. We had our own freedom. We chose how to live every single day. This was our new power, to build our own future, to live with true purpose, to live with real joy. Our new life was good. Our home was full of peace. But our family grew. It became bigger now. We had our first son. His name is Archie. He brought so much joy. He filled our whole world. We gave him quiet life, away from cameras, away from the noise. He could be just a child. Later, our daughter came. Her name is Lilibet. She was a sweet baby. Our family was complete. Being a mother is my biggest joy. I love my children much. They are my everything. Harry is a great dad. He plays with them always. He teaches them many things. He gives them much love. We value our time with our kids. We read them stories. We laugh very loud. We show them our values about kindness and truth, about helping others, about choosing their path. Our children are free. They live their own life, away from royal duties, away from strict rules. Our family is strong, built on love and choice. Our children are our future, our greatest true gift. Our life is full now, full of true happiness. We live our own truth. We have our true peace. Our story is public. We shared our own journey of love and hard choices, of finding our freedom. We speak about courage, about standing for self, about mental well-being, about choosing your path. Love can face all tests. It can find a new way. It can heal all wounds. It can make you strong. We are just two people who chose love first, who chose our own path and live without regret. Our children are our hope. They are growing free. They will know true joy. They will know true love. We still work very hard to make a good change, to help many people, to use our big voices. Our love for each other is our strong compass. It guides us each day. It makes us complete. Our story has a lesson for everyone. Choose your own true path. Choose love above all. We are Meghan and Harry. Our love story is real. A love over crown. A true path for us. What did you learn from Meghan and Harry's journey? Which part of their love story touched you most? How will you use their message of courage and choice in your own life? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If this story helped you, please like the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Every week, we post real stories with lessons, told in simple English for learners like you. Thank you for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, and remember, be brave. Choose your path. Love makes you free.